So this is the Modbus HMI for the ink filling system. This connects to a Velocio PLC, which is currently live. And as you can see, we have 5 dispensing channels for this ink system. You can enable or disable individual channels to your liking if you only want to run a couple at a time, or if you want to run all of them, of course you can do that. These gauges will show the current flow. There we go. The current flow, the number of pulses received per line, as well as the number of expected pulses based on the pulse type, which we'll get into in a moment. You also have the ability to purge any of the 5 lines individually, and this would allow you to just dispense ink or liquid manually to top off a container or whatever. Now, if you go to the settings page, you are able to set the volume for each of the 5 channels. The first 3 are using a passive pulse system, which we can do up to 3 of these motion in monitors per Velocio Ace PLC, and the following 2 are based on an active monitoring system within the loop, which is not quite as accurate. But you'll see if we go back, if I can find the button through this. There we go. Let's look at it. There we go. Looking at it through the phone is a little more difficult. You'll see we're at 450 for the first 3, and then 30,450 for the second, or for the 4th and the 5th. So if we were to make adjustments to the volume for each individual channel, you see the various adjustments we've made, and then you go back and you see that the new set points are configured. So when you activate the ink filling system from the glowing button or the foot pedal, it will fill until it receives each of these pulses for each channel. And there we have it. The HMI is now functional from an Android device to control the Ace Velocio PLC.